Okay, year 8, welcome to your video tutorial today about equivalent expressions. Now, that word equivalent, some of us might have heard of it before. It has another word in it that kind of sounds like something, doesn't it? Equivalent. If I got rid of the I and the V, it kind of looks like equal, doesn't it? The word equivalent means similar to two expressions. Well, the word equivalent actually means two things having the same value, okay? So today we are going to look at expressions that are the same. Two different ways of writing the same thing. This is what you need to write down under your heading equivalent expressions, okay? Two expressions are called equivalent if they always give the same number, the same result when a number is substituted, okay? For example, 4 plus x and x plus 4 are equivalent. Well, why? Just because they have the same pronumerals and the same constants and the same operator, okay, is that what makes them equivalent? No, it's a little bit more than that, okay? 4 and x, okay, if I told you that 4 plus x and x plus 4, if I told you that this x here is equal to 3, another way to write this statement would be 4 plus 3. This statement would be 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So these two are equivalent because no matter what the value of x is, x plus 4 and 4 plus x will always give the same result. Okay, so that's what we're looking at today. We're looking at expressions that give the same result when numbers are substituted into them. So, x minus 3 and 3 minus x, are they equivalent expressions? You need to write this question down because this is an example of a question that you might be asked to do. The easiest way to work out if an expression is equivalent or a pair of expressions are equivalent is to try substituting the same number into both expressions. So, at the moment, I can see they have the same pronumeral, they have the same constant, and they have the same operator. So everything to me at the moment, if I'm guessing just by looking at them, I'd say, yeah, they look equivalent, but let's test our theory and see. Okay, so x minus 3 and 3 minus x. Okay, if these two are equivalent, when I substitute x, I should get the same answer. So let's say x equals 4. Okay, so I could write this as 4 minus 3, which is 1. If these two are equivalent, I'm expecting this to equal 1. What's 3 minus 4? Oh, no, hold on. Wait, 3 minus 4. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Oh, okay. So that's actually 3 minus 4 gets me a negative number, okay? And 4 minus 3 gets me a positive number, so no. Okay, these expressions aren't equivalent. Okay, even though before when I looked, they looked equivalent, the easiest way to test that is by substituting the same number for the pronumeral. Okay? Are a plus b and b plus 2a minus a equivalent? Oh my God, what? A plus b and b plus 2a minus a. What the hell? Okay. I've got two pronumerals this time, okay? But I'm going to use the same idea that I used in the last example. There's a few ways to do this, okay? Let's say a equals 2 and b equals 3, okay? Let's try substituting. A equals 2, so I'm going to replace all the a's with 2's. Now, I have to be really careful when I replace this a, because remember, 2a isn't saying 22, it's saying 2 times 2. Remember that, okay? Because when the a came after that, that was a times. Okay, and I'm going to substitute the b's with 3's. I'm going to put a 3 over there and a 3 over there. Okay, so that's saying 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, now I've got more than one operation. I'm going to just rub out and replace these so it makes a bit more sense. That looks a bit clearer. Okay, remember I've got more than one operation going on in this little one down the bottom. Okay, I've got an addition, I've got a multiplication and a subtraction. How do I know which one to do first? Well, BODMAS tells me that I must do the multiplication. So another way of writing this is 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 2. Okay, 3 plus 4, I'm just going to do it underneath. 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I wrote 5 there. 7 minus, oh, I can't quite rub it out. There we go. 7 minus 2, okay. 7 minus 2 is 5, okay. If I got the same answer for this one as I got for this expression, what that means is A plus B and B plus 2A minus A are equivalent. So I can just substitute in and I will always get a definite answer. And that's how I work out equivalent expressions, guys.